Hello everybody. Barrel Republic is the first pour-it-yourself beer bar created in our very own San Diego since 2013. Within our bars, we hold a 60 self-serve tap bar and were recognized by Draught magazines as one of the top 100 best beer bar in the whole country. That is something to be proud about. We at Barrel Republic are now ready to expand our locations. My name is Minh Nguyen. I'm a local consultant. Today, I will introduce you to 3 new locations that will help our company grow. By choosing our new location, we have to take into consideration of the time people want to go drink the most. According to HelloSundayMorning.org, majority of people like to drink after work. Now think about how many times have you heard or been asked to go out for a drink after work? When asked, where do you end up going? You more likely says, let's go anywhere close by. Now, let's put our focus on the customers that are more likely to come in for drinks. Study by GrabLove.com show that the age from 18 to 64 years old are most prone to go drinking in both men and women. With this in mind, 3 excellent locations come to mind. There are Mira Mesa, Claremont Mesa, Chula Vista. When looking at all 3 locations, we have to dig in the population living in each location. This is vital because we do not only want to focus on business customers, but as well as local customers. More people mean more profits, right? Mira Mesa population stands at an average of 72,000. Claremont Mesa totaled about 150,000, while Chula Vista stands at average of 247,000 people living there. Within the population, we have to look in at marital status. Marital status is important because being single and married affects people from going out to drink. Many married couples that drink together stay together, and while single are more likely to grab a drink on the first day to help loosen up. Marital status in Mira Mesa, the son, never married is at 19,000. Married is around 21,000. Claremont Mesa, never married come in at 49,000 and married at around 42,000. Chula Vista, never married is 56,000 and married coming to 77,000. Now what the population and marital status cover, we have to take one last factor into consideration. We have to look in at the average people in the area would make enough money for them to go out and spend it. People in all 3 locations for age under 25 average about 40,000 rand. If from 25 to 44 years old average about 65,000 rand, while from 46 to 64 years old rang about 75,000. So, after all spending countless hours research, we have 3 of the brand beautiful for our new brewery could be located in Mesa, Mira Mesa, Claremont Mesa, and Chula Vista. All 3 locations working with the customer we are targeting. business and local. They are sit well in the aesthetic location that we already had at Pacific Beach, Cabas, and Oceanside. The hotspot will not only draw new customers, but will also help us further stabilize when we start to marketing our beer to other business. Thank you for listening.